Hi guys, my name is Haley Ferguson and I will be talking about my reflection for the MIT 805 Assignment 2 project. I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this project, I was kind of taken aback. I was like, how am I supposed to do an online group project with people I don't know, I'll never meet, that I've barely talked to besides just like in the comment section online? It took a while for me to kind of understand, like, okay, what are we doing? So I emailed my partners, Tim and Todd, and just kind of told them, like, hey, we're working together. Let me know if you guys have any questions about what I'm doing, because mine was social media within a social studies classroom. And we each had to pick something that kind of fell onto that topic about social media and technology within the classroom. So, after talking to my partners, who were awesome by the way, I put together our own Google community and just sent the link to everybody, shared it out, and just we talked about uploading our assignments, which we did. So, there's mine on the left hand column, and then Todd's and Tim's down below. So, this was a learning experience for all of us because, like myself, I believe they also had the same initial questions like, all right, what are we doing? I actually ended up really enjoying this assignment because it was collaborative, but I didn't really have to rely on other people, if that makes sense. Like, yes, we worked together, but it wasn't so much like, okay, now you need to put yours together, you put yours in. Everyone was pretty responsible for themselves, which was awesome. So for mine, I just uploaded a Google Doc, and I just kind of wrote out like kind of what I thought I was supposed to do. And I talked about how our students these days are like addicted to social media, and we have to find a way to incorporate some of their interests into our content. And I think that Todd touched on this really well in his writing, because he talks about if we're not incorporating things that interest students, we are not reaching them in ways that we could be. Okay? So I really agree with that. There was a few resources I found like KidBlog, Animoto, Edmodo, and Twojector, and Fakebook. So these were all super cool things that I could use in my classroom. Um, and I think my kids would really like it because it's what they're familiar with. And then some takeaways from this project. Um, there are a lot of tools out there that maybe I'm just not familiar with or hadn't known about before. But now that I do, I can totally use them in my classroom and really kind of integrate technology into my lessons. As I've talked about before, I don't have great access to technology at my school, but when I do, I really like to take full advantage of it. Um, Overall, I really ended up enjoying this project, and I enjoyed the people I worked with. They did an awesome job as well, so got really lucky on that one. So thank you so much. I look forward to seeing everybody's websites, everybody's communities, and have a great day, guys.